It is Friday, January 28th, and today I begin the sanding process on the upper level of the house with no name. Um, Last time I was up here, I was finishing cleaning up the insulation that either had come down or needed to come down because it was so disgusting. I also swept the upstairs as best I could. So now is time to sand up the bird poop that is stuck to the wood subflooring and to some of the studs and rafters and things like that. No proper intro today, as I was talking to our oldest son when I arrived and was going to continue to talk to him as I sanded. And that lasted just a couple seconds, as there's no way I could hear him over the sander. The little orbital sander has a little bag attachment on it to collect the dust, and here my husband has the shop vac, which can hook up to the sander, and then the dust will just go into the shop vac. And again, that didn't last very long because between the sander and the shop vac, the noise was way too much. But yeah, just crawling around, sand and bird poop here. Directionally challenged hiker here, doing another non-hiking video. I'm back at the house with no name, and I've done a little bit of sanding in this area on the upper level. Got a little shop vac. We have a bigger shop vac, but we can't get it up through the rafters. So I picked up that little shop vac that you can see down there. I'm going to do some vacuuming since the battery died on the sander. And I'll do some vacuuming before I climb back down the ladder to get another battery and do a little bit more sanding today. But anyway, this is kind of where I left off on Monday. But I'm working on sanding up this wonderful bird poop. Yeah. And again, I am wearing a mask for this. I got some of the good ones that I guess the government is giving out. They let me have 3 at Sam's the other day, so we're wearing one of those to not inhale some of this nastiness. But I'm going to put us back on time lapse, and I'm going to try out my new little shop vac and do some more sanding. Time to try out the little shop vac that I picked up. It is just a Stinger 2.5 gallon wet dry vac that I got from Home Depot for around $43. I mean, nothing spectacular, but it does fit between the floor joists, which was an issue with our regular shop vac, and you know, it seems to be doing the job. I mean, it does a great job at sucking up bird poop. The hose is a little short, but it is just a small vacuum, and if you're looking at the space here, yeah, a full-size vacuum really wouldn't be that great either. I'd still be crawling around at times. So yeah. All right, so I vacuumed this area of the upstairs. I mean, not the greatest, as you'll see in the time lapse, just a little vacuum, but it's what fits up through the rafters right now. I'm not sure how the light is here. I'm going to turn around. This might just be, but it definitely is looking, better over here. If this footage is not great, I will get some more footage when I come back. Probably not tomorrow, but for now, I think I'm going to try to do a little bit more sanding. So until next time, directionally challenged hiker at the house with no name. All right, back at the house with no name in the upstairs. This is where I left off yesterday. I think the lighting is a little bit better now, but you can kind of see we got some of the boards cleaned up. I'm going to be doing some more sanding over here today. Yeah. Sanding off that bird poop. Yeah. Birds are nasty. But anyway, I'm going to get to that. This corner's really bad right here. But I will, yeah, I will get it set up in time-lapse mode for that. But here's just a little, look, it's a decent sized space. All right. Well, I did manage to make it back out here Saturday, late afternoon. I had done some babysitting earlier in the day and wasn't sure I would make it, but stopped and picked up some McDonald's on the way over. Yep, quarter pounders with cheese on sale, 2 for $6, and some fries. Now I have plenty of fuel to get back at my sanding project. And that is what I am doing. Sanding up more bird poop. Yep. One shouldn't let birds get into their houses because the aftermath is just, you don't want to go there. But it is what it is, and we are making some progress with cleaning things up and getting things going here. So I guess that's what matters at this point. I will, at the end of this video, I did, after I was done sanding and then vacuuming up my mess up here, I went outside and set up the camera and took some time lapse of the sunset. Again, one of the reasons we are enjoying this property is it has some really nice views, and we're hoping to enjoy these views a lot more as time progresses. All right, again, I'm not sure if this video will take this evening. It's getting close to 5:30 and the second battery died. So I'd have to go look around for another one, and I don't really feel like it. It's starting to get dark, so I vacuumed up some of what I sanded, and we will get back at this hopefully Monday. So might take a little bit of footage outside tonight if there's a cool sunset happening. So otherwise, later. All right, so here's a look at what my husband worked on Monday. He stapled up that chicken wire under the roof overhang, and then we put that board up on the edge there. Chicken wire wasn't quite long enough, and it is now Saturday, and we haven't had any birds get in. So this is a success. As they'd say in that movie, What About Bob? Baby steps. Yep, we've got a lot of baby steps to go, but maybe this time next year, this will be our home. Hopefully by then it'll have a name too. All right, later. Okay, time to enjoy some of that view, but I also figure I should let you all know that that McDonald's order was to be shared with my husband. I did not eat 2 quarter pounders and a whole large fry by myself. We did share. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the time lapse.